Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. The link will be in the description and in the comment section. I want to say, I think every month, every day, every year, someone new starts a mobile detailing business. We all worry about equipment, products, and everybody wants the best stuff, and I understand. But before you get started, the first thing you want to do is you want to get customers. No customers, no business. Get just enough equipment and supplies to complete a detail. You will need more equipment and supplies when you get more established. You don't need a lot to start. You can start off with just the basics. A water hose, buckets, extension cords, a mid-tier polisher, and some chemicals. You can fit all this in the trunk of your vehicle. Now, you can get the basics for under $500. You can detail without a water tank, without a pressure washer, and you really don't even need the generator either until you get a steady flow of customers. Now, you will be somewhat limited because all your customers would have to provide water and electricity. You more than likely won't be able to service customers at apartments or office buildings, but some apartments, some office buildings does have access to water and electricity. You may need a water key or a long extension cord. So don't think you're counted out because you're going to an apartment building or office building. Once you get that study full of customers, then you can go legit by getting your LLC, business bank account, and EIN number. Don't forget to check out my video on getting your LLC. You can find this video at the end screen. Your steady flow of customers will also allow you to afford a water tank, pressure washer, and a generator at some point. The generator, the water tank, and the pressure washer will be the most expensive items that you will have to purchase to be self-contained. So please feel free to watch my video on water tanks. The videos that I'm recommending will be on the end screen, and also I'll place the links in the description. Being self-contained is ideal, but you don't have to be self-contained to start. Most customers offer their water and electricity, so trust me when I tell you that not having water and electricity isn't the reason not to start today. Stay till the end to hear the customer's reaction.
Man, it looks awesome.
You like it?
Love it.
That's all right.
Love it.
Glad you like it. Go ahead, take a look at it. Take a look at the inside. Let me give you the key too.
Oh man, I ain't gonna give it back to my son. He's asking for it. Oh yeah, man. It's freaking perfect. That's awesome.
It's all right.
Man, I can't thank you enough.
Oh, I'm glad to do it.
Yeah. That's great. And I started to do that. I was like, I was gonna go and do it, but I thought, well, if he's booked up and I can't do it, I don't want to have to go through the process. So that's why I called,
right,
just to say, hey, do you have an opening? And I was online when you said shoot me your information, and I was fixing to go back online and do it, but I just shot it to you in a text and everything. So yeah. Yeah, you having a website and having the packages there. That's what I was looking for.
Right.
Like, okay, what
just
do
get
I
straight
need?
to the point.
Yeah. Yeah. So,
I like to get feedback from our customers.
man, you did a fantastic job.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah. The boys ain't gonna want to. He ain't gonna want to get rid of it.